Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, May the 28th, 2022, almost end of the month. We have here 6 extra puzzles. 3 of them I will do today. I've already solved the 3-star Sudoku. So the tectonic and the binary are left. And it's time for the binary puzzle number 4618. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Well, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. It seems that I need to compare with 1 row or what column. Let me see. This column and that column, last column. 1, 1, 1, 0, empty box, 1, 1, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow, this one is very quick to solve, boys and girls. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle for today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.